So the changing of the guard is gathering full speed in men's tennis, with 22-year-old Spaniard Carlos Alcaraz beating former world number 1 Novak Djokovic in the final of the Australian Open, not just to become the youngest player in history to win all 4 slam titles, but Alcaraz also prevented Djokovic from winning a record 25th Grand Slam title. And look, Alcaraz at 22 is fully on course to win more Grand Slam titles than any other player in the game. He already has 7 slam titles. Now let us say he plays another 10 years at the top level, 4 Grand Slam titles per year. So he will have 40 more attempts to win 18 more titles to win the most ever titles. If he stays generally healthy, he will do it. Between himself and his contemporary rival, Yannick Sinner, they will share most of the slam titles. But Alcaraz, for me, ends up with 28 to 30 Grand Slam titles and will eventually be crowned.